Duality is what sets the pattern. It is the observation of nature that gives us the key. It is the circle and the square. I believe it will not be necessary to point out the fact that the Mécatl, or rope, was used to develop one of the first methods of measurement, whatever the system used for that purpose. It is also undeniable that to mark a certain space, the knot will be used to facilitate measurement, because by counting the spaces between knot and knot within the system used, one already had a measure. Chikome. Chikweyi. Chipnawi. Matlahtli.